Hello there, got a saab 95. Got a couple of error codes which were p1300 and p0300 and a code p1658. The p300s and all that was leading to the coil pack and the spark plugs. The p1658 was leading to the dump valve. But after checking all these, replacing new spark plugs, lending my friend's coil pack to see if mine's gone, the problem didn't go. So we were a bit stuck with a dilemma, and we found the problem in the end. If you can see up there, you see intercooler pipes popped off and the duplicate was rotten away, so that's what's caused the problem. So before you buy the DI cassette and new spark plugs, check this out first. Thank you.